everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle and I do weekly DIYs, so I'd love for you to join me for future DIYs after this one. This week I have a really cute DIY. Actually, it's 3 DIYs using the same thing. It's going to be a clay project where we're going to take some clay that you can bake at home and make votive and candle holders. I think we should just get started. You ready? Let's go. First project, you're going to start with some clay, and I'll have a link in the description what kind of clay I used. And you're going to roll it a little bigger than the size of a votive candle. And I got these pink ones from IKEA. They have all different colors. They're super cute. Then you're going to take either a clay tool to dig out the area where your votive's going to sit, or you can use a spoon or the back of a knife, whichever tools you have available. And then you're going to kind of smooth that out and check to see if it fits in there, and see it's a little high. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to push that down further so that I can have the votive sitting flush. Now I'm going to take some black clay, which is a Sculpey clay, and I'm going to start making little X's. So I'm going to cut tiny little pieces and making X's, and I'm going to go all the way around. And each time I do this, I push it into it, and then it's flush with the white clay. I love doing that. I don't know what it is about doing that, but it's so satisfying. And then just go all the way around and keep adding X's until you're done. Such a cute little project. So cute. Next project is a taper candle. So we're going to take some of the Sculpey clay and we're going to roll it out into, I think I did about 4 inches, and I kind of made it at an angle, so it's kind of like triangular. Then I took a smaller little ball that I rolled out, and then at an angle I went and rolled that also kind of triangular. Now I'm going to take the taper candle and I'm going to make a mark on the top of it so that I can cut it out so the taper can fit inside. And I just use my little clay tool, but you may have the same thing, use whatever you have at home. And then you're going to attach the 2 together. But first you want to make sure it's flat, so I kind of pound that down. And then you're going to want to score with a little anything you can use, like even a toothpick will work. You're going to score both sides so that when you put it together, it's going to stay together. And then I'm going to smooth it out on the sides until I like the way it turned out. Now you're going to take some of the black clay and you're going to roll it out, and roll it out really into a very tiny little piece. And then you're going to cut that so it's the length of your candle holder. And you're going to put that in different spots on it, and what you're going to do is you're going to press it down. After you put it on, you're going to press it into the white clay the same way we did the X's, and so then it's kind of part of the white clay also. Such an easy little project. All of these are super easy. It's like you could go wild with these. So cute. I love the way it turned out. And now project number 3 is another taper candle holder. And we're going to start with a large ball. We're going to smush that down, not all the way, but see how I kind of made it almost like a disc. And then we're going to measure the taper candle into the center. And you're going to scoop it out so that it has enough depth in there for the taper to stand on its own. And just check to make sure it fits snugly. It's perfect. Now we're going to take the black clay again, and we're going to just make a little rope with it, and then we're going to take tiny little pieces and just add those all the way around your little candle holder. And then after you do that, then you're going to press each one in so then it becomes flush with the holder. So cute. What a cute little set. I hope everyone loved today's DIYs. I think they turned out so cute, and I want to know what you guys think, so be sure to comment. Let me know. I love all the comments that you guys leave all the time. I get back to everybody. And until next time, everybody have an awesome, awesome week. Bye.